Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you are good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before starting today, we are going to discuss about 17 best keyword research tool for 2022. Want to find those juicy keywords that are easy to rank for and drive a ton of traffic? You need a keyword research tool. In this video, we will be exploring the best keyword research tool on the market. All of the tools below can help you to uncover new topic ideas based on the queries your target audience is searching for. Let's get started. Number 1 is Substat. Substat is our opinion the best choice for the most user. It is not just a keyword research tool, it's in all-in-one SEO software suite that 30 plus tools to help with all aspects of your marketing campaigns. You can start with a seed keyword and use it to generate a list of rated keywords. Analyze your competitors' domain to find out what they are ranking for and extract keyword suggestions. The keyword trend tools make it easy to obtain a list of trending research queries. You can select a country to see what is popular in different regions. My favorite feature through has to the competitors graph. It provides a visualization of sites that are competing for the selected keywords and related queries. Aside from the keyword tools, you also get access to site auditing tool, backlinking analysis, rank tracking, and a bunch of other useful features. What are the pros and cons? Pros: all in one suite of tools, great value of money, competitor bubble graph. Cons: bit of learning curve. Its pricing starts from $45 per month when you sign up for 24 months or more. The second one tool is Mongols. KW Finder by Mongol is the best keyword search tool for beginners. It's affordable, intuitive, and super effective at finding low competition, high volume keywords. If you search by domain, you can see the keyword your competitors are ranking for, their average ranking position, search volume, etc. If you are running a local business, you can find location specific long tail keyword for your website. Drill down into the local search result for over 50,000 locations to find out what local market are searching for. When you sign up for the Mongols package, you also get access to 4 other tools in addition to KW Finder. Mongol offers several paid plans starting from $29.90 per month. You can start it with a 10-day free trial version. The third one is SEA ranking. SEA ranking is the best keyword research tool for agencies and large teams. It offers built-in collaboration tools, a white label interface, and flexible pricing plans that are very affordable for a large number of users and projects. You can type a keyword into the search box to analyze it. Just choose your search engine and country and hit search. You can analyze keyword based on core parameter life, difficulty score, search volume, CPC, and paid competition, etc. For agency, SE ranking offers a white label feature which lets you share the tool with your clients through your own domain and under your own branding. SE ranking plans stand for $23.52 per month, but pricing is flexible based on your needs. Use the calculator on the site for an exact price. The fourth one is SEMrush. SEMrush is arguably the most advanced keyword search tool available. It is an all-in-one platform that is ideal for enterprise customers that need the very best, most sophisticated features. It is a tad expensive compared to some other options which might put it out of reach of cash top step entrepreneurs and small businesses. The integrated keyword tool works a little differently than some of its competitors. Rather than entering a seed keyword to generate a list of related suggestions, Sam will show you the keyword that your biggest competitors are ranking for. From there, scroll down the organic research section to see an overview of the website total organic traffic, rank keywords, and traffic cost. With all this data at your fingertips, it should be easy to find tons of new keywords for your content strategy. But if you still need more, you can go to the competitor sections. Of course, you can also use SEMrush to find long tail keyword related to a seed keyword too. Plans start from $99.95 per month when billed manually. annually. You can also try SEMrush out with a limited free account. Buzz, the fifth method is BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is a content marketing platform that comes with an intuitive built-in keyword research tool. It is the best choice for content marketers and puts all the tools you need to create an effective content strategy at your fingertips. All the different content marketing tools are seamlessly integrated together in BuzzSum's intuitive interface. Next to that, you will see the average cost per click and the total number of articles published on the topic in the past year. Article published is a data point that few other tools provide. Below that, you will be able to view related keywords and similar keywords alongside all the important data like search trend and volume. Click the View Analytical tab and you will be able to see a graph showing overlapping markers of both search volume and content over time. BuzzSumo will also suggest some content idea for the topic based on what is already ranking. You can try BuzzSumo out by signing up for a limited free account. When you are ready to upgrade, paid plans start from $79 per month. The sixth method is and the tool is RFs, are one of the most well-known SEO software suites on the market. The keyword difficulty metric also much better than other tools. It does not just give you an arbitrary difficult rating or score. Instead, it tells you exactly how many backlinks you would typically need in order to reach page 1. Plans start from $99 per month, but changes to their pricing model mean that you get far less for your money. Only 500 monthly reports are available on all accounts. There is no free trial, but website owners can sign up for RFF Master 2 to try our Suite Explorer and Suite Audit with limited access. The seventh tool is Solve. Solve is a fun, powerful keyword research tool with a unique interface. You can use a customizable engine to pull search suggestions from all the most popular providers Google, YouTube, Bing, etc. Solve is a completely free keyword tool. The eighth one is SEO Power Suite. SEO Power Suite is a downloadable SEO Power software kit. Their rank tracker software includes both keyword research and rank tracking features. The rank tracker tool also enables you to check your global or local ranking position in Google and 400 plus other search engines to keep track of your SERP visibility. The ninth tool is Web CEO. WebSEO is a pro-level marketing toolkit used by over 1.4 million businesses. It comes with a powerful multi-channel keyword research tool plus a rank tracker, suite audit tool, SEO content assistant, backlink checker, competitor tool, and much more. It gives you a wealth of metrics to help you analyze different keywords, including the basics, as well as advanced data points like the KEI, search trend, impressions, and average Google position. Price plans start from $33 per month bill annually. You can also sign up for 14-day trial for free. The 10th is SpyFu. SpyFu is the best choice for analyzing our competitors' SEO performance and finding their most valuable keywords. Paid plans start from $33 per month. The 11th tool is Longtail Pro. Longtail Pro is one of the best keyword research tools for long-tail keywords. It works much the same as the most other platforms but stand out for its ability to find less competitive keywords that still get a lot of traffic. It's easy to use, just enter your seed keywords or domain to generate ideas, analyze and results. Plans start from $297 per year, billed annually. The 12th method is Jaxi. Jaxi is a simple but powerful tool that can generate thousands of rated keywords idea for your seconds. You can sign up free star account limited at 30 searches. Paid plans start for at $49 per month. The 13th month is Rank Watch. Rank Watch is a useful all-in-one SEO tool that can help you with your keyword research and other SEO tracks. In addition to keyword research, Rank can help you to keep track of your ranking position and competitor analysis, and it can also be used for SEO site auditing. Plans start from $26 per month when billed annually. The 14th one tool is Answer the Public. Answer the Public is a unique keyword research tool that is extremely easy to use and beginner friendly. Answer the Public has a free plan available. Paid plans start from $79 when billed annually. The 5th tool is Google Search Console. Although it's not specifically a keyword search tool, can be useful for highlighting opportunity for keywords. Google Search Console is a free to use tool. 16 tool is Keyword Tool. Keyword Tool is a simple but powerful keyword research solution. You can use the tool to discover new keywords for a range of different search engines including Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon and more. Keyword Tool offers a limited free plan. Pro plans start from $69 per month billed annually. And the 17th, the last tool is Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is one of the most popular keyword on the market, and there are a lot of good reasons for that. Like many SEOs and web tools offered by Google, their keyword planning tool is free by signing up to a Google Ads account. You will discover new keyword functions, you can find new keywords and learn more about the kind of search terms your target audience is using. Overall, it is a really good free option for keyword planning. Google Keyword Planning is a free tool, but you will need to set up Google Ads account to use it. Thank you for watching my video.